अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स। आज आप लोग सब कैसे हैं? स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम श्योर सबको पढ़ना तो अच्छा लगता होगा, लेकिन आपको वो सेइंग तो पता होगी, ऑल वर्क एंड नो प्ले मेक्स जैक अ डल बॉय। पढ़ाई के साथ साथ खेलना और एंटरटेनमेंट की चीज़ें करना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है। बट अक्सर आपने नोट किया होगा कि कुछ दिन ऐसे आते हैं जिसमें आपका बिल्कुल भी दिल नहीं करता, ना पढ़ाई करने का, ना खेलने का। आपको ऐसा फ़ील होता है कि आप बहुत थके हुए हैं, आपके पास कोई एनर्जी नहीं है काम करने की, या चलने की भी एनर्जी नहीं है। ऐसे दिनों में आप अक्सर स्कूल से भी छुट्टी कर लिया करते होंगे। आपको पता है एनर्जी क्या होती है? एनर्जी इज़ द एबिलिटी टू डू वर्क और टू मेक समथिंग हैपन। When we do work, our energy is used. जब आप एक दिन नोट करें, बहुत ज़्यादा कोई काम करें, तो फिर अगले दिन आपको कुछ काम करने का दिल नहीं चाहेगा, क्योंकि आपने पहले बहुत ज़्यादा काम कर लिया होगा and you would have used your energy. Once we have used our energy, we can't get it back from the work done. Do you know from where do we get energy? Exactly. हमने ये बायोलॉजी में पढ़ा हुआ है. We get our energy from food and we use it to work. But remember students, only living things need energy. Non-living things like chair, table, kites, they do not get tired. And so non-living things do not get energy from food. They just move when force is applied to them. That's it. Energy is all around us. हम उसको देख नहीं सकते, but वो हर जगह मौजूद होती है. If anything is moving, then it means it has energy. All things require energy to move. And another thing that you need to understand is that energy makes change possible. जिससे हम अभी पिछले एपिसोड में मैंने आपको बताया था कि अगर आपने चाय बनानी है तो पहले आप पानी या मिल्क को बॉईल करेंगे. This is because of heat energy, right? Energy is also in a form of sound. Sound is also a type of energy. For every work, we need energy because we apply force to do work. मिसाल के तौर पे अगर आपने किसी टेबल को पुश करना है तो you need to apply some force. And everything around us is energy. You know that matter is all around us. Energy is basically the second name of matter. Energy can be packed to form matter. हमने पहले डिस्कस किया था that matter is a packed form of energy and it has an ability to unpack itself. Matter exists in two forms. Number 1, particles. Number 2, fields. Matter and energy are interconvertible. This means कि matter energy में convert हो सकता है and similarly energy matter में convert हो सकती है. आपने एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन का नाम तो सुना होगा, और जहाँ भी एल्बर्ट आइंस्टाइन का नाम आता है वहाँ उसके फेमस फॉर्मूला E is equal to mc² का नाम आता है, which means energy equals mass multiplied by the speed of light squared. This equation is known as the Einstein's mass energy equation. अब हम बात करते हैं about different types of energy. Energy की बहुत different types होती हैं. Stored energy is called potential energy. Energy is stored due to its position or structure. If an object is not moving or still, it means that it has potential energy. For example, a marker or a pen जिसको आप हिला ना रहे हो, it has potential energy. Potential energy is of different kinds. Elastic potential energy, which means that stretched rubber bands and compressed springs are examples of elastic potential energy. When we stretch a rubber band, or the energy stored in a spring is called as elastic potential energy. Then we have gravitational potential energy. A person standing on a diving board above a swimming pool has gravitational potential energy. Then we have about hydel energy. आपको डैम्स का तो पता होगा, डैम्स इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जनरेट करते हैं. So in dams, electricity is generated because of the potential energy of water. फिर हमारे पास आती है काइनेटिक एनर्जी. आपको अपने इर्द गिर्द हवा महसूस हो रही होगी. जब हवा तेज चलती है तब भी आपको ये महसूस होता है. That is kinetic energy. Kinetic energy refers to the energy an object has because of its movement. A car in motion has kinetic energy, as does a basketball when you pass or shoot it. Similarly, in 8-ball pool, the balls are in motion when hit by one ball. Most types of energy are either a form of kinetic energy or potential energy. फिर हमारे पास एक और टाइप ऑफ एनर्जी आती है जिसके बारे में हमने बिल्कुल अपनी प्रीवियस एपिसोड में पढ़ा था, हीट एनर्जी. इसका तो हम सब ने पढ़ा हुआ है. All types of energies are dissipated in the form of heat energy. Heat was the first form of energy to be discovered by man. Next, we have sound energy. This is very obvious कि आपको मेरी आवाज़ सुनने को मिल रही है. That is because of sound energy. अगर मैं बहुत आहिस्ता से बोलना शुरू कर दूं, then the energy would not be sufficient to produce sound. And then you can't listen to me. Then we have nuclear energy. We have studied about the nuclear force. याद है? We have studied about nuclear energy. And nuclear energy is caused by the nuclear force. Atomic bomb is the most famous example of nuclear energy. Then we have binding energy. The energy stored inside the atom that binds the proton and neutron is known as binding energy. The energy is released when the bond breaks. Then we have solar energy. The ultimate source of energy is solar energy, the energy that we obtain from the sun. We obtain heat energy and light energy from the sun. Solar panels are used to convert sunlight into electricity. Then we have geothermal energy. Energy stored inside the Earth's core due to molten iron is known as geothermal energy. That is why Earth has magnetic properties. क्या आपको पता है एनर्जी एक फॉर्म से दूसरी फॉर्म में ट्रांसफर कैसे हो सकती है? The law of conservation of energy states that energy can only be transformed. It cannot be created or destroyed. For example, अगर कोई बंदा खाना खाता है जिसके अंदर केमिकल एनर्जी है और बंदे की बॉडी जो है वो एनर्जी स्टोर कर लेती है, तो वो एनर्जी स्टोर रहेगी until और unless वो बंदा या बंदी उसको यूज करे काइनेटिक एनर्जी में ड्यूरिंग वर्क और प्ले. The stored chemical energy in coal or natural gas and the kinetic energy of water flowing in rivers can be converted to electrical energy, which in turn can be converted to light and heat. ये याद रखें that energy cannot be created or destroyed. Energy changes form, but the total amount of energy in the universe always stays the same. In lightning, electric potential energy transforms into light, heat, and sound energy. Plants also use energy, क्या आपको पता है ये? They use energy from the sun during an important process called photosynthesis. बिल्कुल. जो हम खाना खाते हैं, that contains chemical energy, which is used by living organisms such as animals and us to grow and reproduce. Food energy is usually measured in calories. During chemical reactions, chemical energy is often transformed into light or heat. Solar photovoltaic cells change radiant energy from the sun into electric energy. A car engine burns gasoline, converting the chemical energy into gasoline into mechanical energy. आजकल की दुनिया में हम मॉडर्न सिविलाइजेशन में रह रहे हैं. एंड दैट इज ओनली पॉसिबल बिकॉज हमें समझ आ गई है कि एनर्जी को एक फॉर्म से दूसरी फॉर्म में कैसे चेंज किया जा सकता है. दैट इज वाई आवर लिविंग इज पॉसिबल. People use energy to walk and bicycle, to move cars along roads and boats through water, to cook food on stoves, to make ice in freezers, to light our homes and offices, to manufacturing products, and to send astronauts into space. अब हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि एनर्जी को मेजर कैसे करते हैं. वैसे तो हम एनर्जी को कैलोरीज में मेजर करते हैं, but that is not the standard unit. But the food we eat is measured in calories. To be technical, the SI unit for energy is joule, named after the scientist. On the atomic scale, SI unit of energy is electron volt. In 2019, total US energy consumption per person was about 305 million British thermal units, which is equal to approximately 893.8668 kWh. अब हम इस एपिसोड के कुछ की पॉइंट्स पर गौर करते हैं. नंबर 1, एनर्जी is the ability to do work or to make something happen. Number 2, we get energy from food and we use it for work. Energy is dissipated when work is done. Number 3, energy is all around us. Number 4, energy makes change possible. Number 5, matter and energy are interconvertible. Number 6, matter can be converted into energy and energy can be converted into matter. Number 7, energy equals mass multiplied by the speed of light squared. This is known as Einstein's mass energy equation. E is equal to mc square. Number 8, there are different kinds of energy. Most common of them are kinetic energy and potential energy. Number 9, energy can only be transformed. It can't be created and it can't be destroyed. Number 10, the SI unit of energy is joule. On the atomic scale, SI unit of energy is electron volt. Students, अब हम अपना टेस्ट लेंगे और देखेंगे कि हमने आज के एपिसोड से क्या सीखा. आज का टेस्ट कुछ बहुत डिफरेंट और इंटरेस्टिंग सा है. स्टूडेंट्स, आपके सामने कुछ पिक्चर्स हैं. What you are supposed to do is that they all are examples of energies. You have to match them with the particular source of energy. For example, if you have the picture of the sun, you have to match कि sun कौन सी energy हमें देता है and you have to match it with this. Good luck! अगली एपिसोड तक अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिए. अल्लाह हाफिज.